In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a transcript. To get started, open the transcript you want to work on. Make sure you have the correct transcript selected before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple files or versions. Taking a quick moment to confirm this can help you avoid editing the wrong document and save time later. Once the transcript is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Edit. This will switch the transcript into editing mode so you can begin making changes directly in the text. If you do not see the formatting options right away, give the page a moment to fully load after clicking Edit. It is always a good idea to make sure you are actively in editing mode before trying to adjust the text. Now, highlight the text you want to format. After selecting the specific word, phrase, sentence, or section, apply the formatting you need, such as bold, italics, or underline. These tools can help make your transcript clearer and more organized. For example, bold text can help important terms stand out, italics may be useful for emphasis, and underlining can draw attention to key details when needed. Try to use formatting consistently so the transcript stays clean and easy to read. As you format, be careful not to overuse these styles. The goal is to improve readability, not make the transcript feel cluttered. Focus on the parts of the text that truly benefit from emphasis. If you are working with a long transcript, it may help to move through it section by section so you can stay organized and avoid missing anything. To improve the overall structure of the transcript, add paragraph breaks by pressing Enter wherever you want to separate blocks of text. This is especially useful when the transcript contains long sections that are difficult to read as one continuous paragraph. Breaking the content into smaller sections makes it easier for viewers, editors, or team members to scan and understand the material. When adding paragraph breaks, think about where one idea ends and another begins. Natural pauses, topic changes, or speaker transitions are all good places to separate text. This helps the transcript feel more polished and more readable. After making your formatting changes and adding paragraph breaks where needed, take a moment to review the transcript from top to bottom. A quick final check can help you catch uneven formatting or spacing issues before you move on. And that's it. That's how to format a transcript clearly and efficiently.